So the first thing after you downloaded it into your MT5 trading terminal, drag and drop it onto the chart. Here you'll notice that risk allocation is set to 1% by default. This helps the EA calculate for you lot size for every individual trade. The break-even fail-safe feature is enabled by default and is also set to 1%. This, together with the commission offset feature seen below, automatically moves the stop loss to 1 pip away from entry price when the trade reaches 1% profit, so your capital is protected from unexpected price movements and also accounts for the trade commission and slippage to achieve true break-even. You can turn it off if you don't want to use it in your trading. Once you added the EA onto the chart, you will notice that the EA performed a series of configurations and has decluttered the chart for you to keep it clean and simple. Not only it enabled chart shift so you can see the position sizing information, it also disabled grid view, ticks volume, trading history, enabled ask line to allow you to view the spread, and zoomed out to allow you to view the broader perspective of the price action. As you see, the EA automatically did all these tedious tasks for you so you don't have to. So this is where the EA starts to shine. Notice how it completely replaced the standard trading panel of the MT5 with a smart panel. Furthermore, it displays your account balance, equity, and PL. You can drag the EA lines on the chart to plan the position. You can toggle between pending orders and market orders and click the button to place the order. Notice how the EA automatically detects the pending order types and also shows the lot size, USD value, and risk-reward ratio. The EA prevents you from clicking the wrong button. In this instance it detects you want to place a buy-stop order, so it disables the sell so you can click buy. Once you placed an order, the position sizing interface disappears to keep the chart simple. However, should you want to place a new order to scale in or hedge your existing position, you can click on the New Position button to bring the position sizing interface back. Let's say we want to place a market order this time. You'll notice that when a position is triggered, it immediately displays the position stats, long or short, profit or loss as USD value and percentage of balance. The account stats immediately accounts for the active position's PL in real time, and last, you can effortlessly close the pending orders and active positions with a simple click direct from the chart.